Repair Professional is a customizable 4-step deep conditioning treatment offered as an in-salon service. It takes 10 to 15 minutes to complete with no heat or wait time required. The results last up to 5 weeks with the weekly booster. Featuring dual repair technology, it instantly repairs and reconstructs severely damaged hair. Shampoo with restorative shampoo. Rinse thoroughly and squeeze out excess water. Do not towel dry. Moisture is needed for the product to penetrate deeply. Step 1 preps the hair for the treatment. Steps 1 through 3 are universal formulas. Usage amount may vary. Apply step 1 from mid-lengths through ends. Glide to distribute. Step 2 repairs the hair internally. Use the same amount as step 1. Apply mid-lengths through ends. Detangle and evenly distribute. Taking manageable sections, gently massage the hair between palms and thumbs. Always massage in a downward motion. Massage until hair feels smooth. Continue until you complete every section. After massage, twist each section. This ensures proper saturation and absorption. Rinse thoroughly. Everything needed is absorbed. Squeeze out the excess water. Do not towel dry. Step 3 reconstructs, targeting extremely damaged areas of the hair. Use the same amount of product as step 1. Apply from mid-lengths to ends and evenly distribute. Gently massage each section of the hair until it feels smooth. If the hair begins to feel dry, mist with water. Step 4 repairs the hair externally. Step 4 comes in fine and coarse. Use the same amount of product as step 1. Apply from mid-lengths to ends and evenly distribute. Gently massage each section until the hair feels smooth. The hair will be noticeably shiny. Rinse well. Based on the client's hair texture, you can leave 5 to 10% on the ends. Restorative blowout primers come in fine and coarse formulas. Apply on damp hair from mid-lengths to ends before a blowout. Restorative blowout primers repair and prep the hair for styling. They enhance the performance of blowouts and offer heat protection. Send your client home with the corresponding weekly booster. This helps their treatment last up to 5 weeks. At home, clients will use a weekly booster in place of their regular conditioner once a week. For best results, leave on for 5 minutes, then rinse. Repair Home Care is ideal for the client who received a Repair Professional treatment. Milbon Repair Collection for healthy, stronger hair.